course, we all know what is going on right now in Nigeria concerning very dark man. We all know what is going on concerning very dark man. When I was on live chat yesterday, I saw some comments. Some people said very dark man has been kidnapped. I was seeing the video yesterday. I was seeing it. I ignored when they were typing it because that could be a setup. That could be a setup. So later someone said the lawyer has spoken. That the lawyer said it was the Igbo team that arrested him. I don't want to mention people's name. That it was the Igbo team that arrested him. Here we call very dark man Akerogun. The lawyer said Akerogun has been arrested by the Igbo team. And they were pushing different types of narratives yesterday. Some said it was inside go to back ilé ìfowópamọ́. Some said go to back ilé ìfowópamọ́. Go to back ilé ìfowópamọ́. I have to take my time because we have to be very, very careful. I have to take my time. But recently, I saw a post whereby go back to school, ilé ìfowópamọ́ released a footage when Akerogun was leaving their premises. Some said it was inside go back to school. Go to go to back in. Oh yeah, go to here now. Go back to school, sha. They said Akerogun's face was covered. Let me tell you something. My own narrative, my narrative will be technical. My narrative will be extremely technical. My narrative, it takes someone with good IQ to understand my narrative. This is what is going on. You remember around February, I told you guys that some people came to my house around 2 a.m. I have the footage here. When I was shouting that some people came to my house around 2 a.m. Nobody listened. Everybody ignored. The truth is, this lover will never back down. I'm sorry if you don't understand my own narrative. I don't care. But I surely know what I'm talking about. I've been a victim for years. God has saved me so many times. I could not walk alone. I walk around with heavy securities. And I've been saying this over and over and over and over. Nobody cared to listen because it has not happened to you. If you challenge this lover, if you are not being technical, she will set the trap and you will enter the trap. Akerogun will learn. He's a young guy, very vibrant, but as time goes on, he will learn how to be technical. he will learn how to be technical. Thanks to my husband, has been able to manage me, has been able to set my foot on some right path. Like, no, don't do this, do this. If you do this, they may do this. Thanks to my backup warriors, I have some elites in my own group, well-educated people. Thanks to my lawyer that always guide me at times. Go this side, don't go this side. My narrative will be very, very technical. What happened to Akinrogun, we all don't know. What happened right now to him, we all don't know. But let me tell you something. As a friend, if I see you in some settings or some group, I will back out. That was the greatest mistake Akinrogun made. Akinrogun, you are coming out soon, very soon, and I hope you will learn. You will learn. You are coming out soon. You see, since all this while, I've been on live chat, trying to express my feelings, my fear to Nigerians, but nobody cares to listen. This is it. If you can remember, Gistlover posted some list, some Agege list, some months ago. Gistlover posted some Agege list some months ago. I want you to open your brain and listen to me. I want you to listen. Gistlover posted some Agege. He mentioned their names allegedly. He listed those names. Akinrogun. And the same list Gistlover posted happens to be in a party. And the person that organized this party immediately traveled out. Akinrogun, let them face their consequence. What is your own to tell them that Egbeleye is looking for them? You are no more a baby. An activist is an activist. An activist needs to be technical. The moment the organizer of the Agege party traveled out, you were supposed to know that Oti did not relay, Odi Gobe. If you look at the Agege party, I was the first victim. They were pushing different fake narratives. And both the Yorubas and the Igbos, they were being carried away. So, Egbeleye, start picking people. Don't forget that the same people Egbeleye are picking right now, they are same people Gistlover had already shortlisted for Agege. When did you want to wake up? When did you guys want to wake up? It's a game of mind. Akinrogun, you are now telling another that carry his two legs. Or do you guys think we are joking here? You think we are joking? You think Lizzy and Anjorin is joking? Abi, you will see me in the morning, in the evening, in the middle of the night, staging shows. You think I'm joking? You think I don't have tangible things to do with my time? I don't get it. It takes someone, Tony Opolo, tó sound upstairs to know the game. Ọmọ yẹn ti rébọ́, ọmọ yẹn ti lọ jábọ́. Kí ló kún ẹ pẹ̀lú ẹgbẹ́ ẹlẹ́yẹ ń wáyàn? Ṣé bí lójú wọn àwa ń datọ́ ni? Nínú etí wọn orí wa ò pé, nínú ọpọlọ wọn àwa ò mọ nǹkan tá à ń ṣe. Àbí bá a ṣe ń kì í nílọ̀ fún yín, bá a ṣe ń sọ fún yín, àbí ọpọlọ yín ò ṣiṣẹ́. Nígbà tí wọ́n ti rìlíìsì orúkọ àwọn Agége, tó ti rìlíìsì orúkọ yẹn, very dark man, gbogbo àwọn èèyàn ńláńlá tó mọ̀ ni wọ́n fẹ́ kó lose. Gbogbo àwọn èèyàn ńláńlá tó mọ̀ ni wọ́n fẹ́ kó lose. Tí wàhálà bá dẹ̀ ti dáwọ́ àti Gistlover pọ̀, you have to be technical. You have to be technical. Tíjà bá ti dáwọ́ àti Gistlover pọ̀, torí gbogbo nǹkan ni Gistlover máa fi wá ẹ, ní gbogbo ọ̀nà ni Gistlover máa fi wá ẹ. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí ọmọ yẹn sọ, àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ẹlẹ́yẹ tiẹ̀ lè má rí di mínísì rárá, àmọ́ Gistlover ṣì wà láyé, bó tiẹ̀ ti lè jẹ́ kó ti kú. Mi ìfẹ́ sọ experience mi fún yín, mi ìfẹ́ sọ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ fún yín, mi ò fẹ́ bà yín lẹ́rù, mi ìfẹ́ kẹ́ gbọ́ àwọn nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lójoojúmọ́. Mo rántí pé mo lọ sí party kan ní last year, party onítíátà ni. Àwọn tó súnmọ́ mi mọ ọ̀rọ̀ tí mò ń sọ yìí. Èmi ò kí ń lọ sí party onítíátà mọ́, ṣùgbọ́n ẹni yìí ẹni tí mo pọ́n lé dáadáa ni, ẹni tó máa ń dìde fún mi ni, ẹni tó máa ń dìde fún mi ní gbogbo ìgbà ni. Party tí gbogbo yín mọ̀ ni. Mo lọ sí party ẹni yìí, adé láti party, ìgbà tó máa dọjọ́ kejì tó máa du ọjọ́ kẹta, àtẹ̀mí àti gbogbo àwa tá lọ party àtàwọn tó tẹ̀lé mi lọ sí party, gbogbo wa pátápátá ni wọ́n sọmọ s'Abuja. Gbogbo wa pátápátá ni wọ́n sọmọ s'Abuja. Àwọn tó súnmọ́ mi bí iṣẹ́ ọrùn, mo sọ kéèsì yẹn fún wọn. Mo wá ń sọ fún àwọn ẹni yẹn, mo ní tó bá dijọ́ mi tán bá pèèyàn sí party, téèyàn bá lọ, wọn ò ní mọ nǹkan tójú wọn rí o. Ẹ ti gbàgbé pé party ni Bobrisky lọ. Ẹ ti gbàgbé. Ẹ ti gbàgbé sẹ́ẹ̀tì àwọn tó wà níbi tí party Bobrisky wà. Ẹ máa ń gbàgbé nǹkan. Ẹ ti máa ń gbàgbé nǹkan jù. Ẹ máa ń tètè gbàgbé nǹkan. So many things ni mi kì í sọ síta. So many things ni mi kì í sọ síta. Ẹ ti gbàgbé wípé party tí Bobrisky lọ, àwọn setting tó wà ńbẹ̀ tó mẹ́gbẹ́ ẹlẹ́yẹ dání, the same thing setting yẹn náà ló mú ẹgbẹ́ ẹlẹ́yẹ dání. Níjọ́ wo la fẹ́ gbọ́n ní Nàìjíríà? Mo ní níjọ́ wo lọpọlọ wa tó fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́? Mo rántí pé mo lọ sí party yẹn, mo dé, wọ́n sọmọ gbogbo wa pátápátá sí Àbújá. Nígbà tá dé Àbújá, a ní láti máa fi dọ́kúmẹ́ǹtì ìwé ẹ̀rí wa wọn, tí a fi ní àṣẹ àbí tí wọ́n fi fún wa sọ.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.